Today on JHY Mods, I'm going to show you this product, the Noco Boost Plus GB40. And as Christmas is coming up, I thought it will be a good time of doing an unboxing. I will be doing another review video on it once I have used the product. Since I haven't used it, I'm not going to be doing a reviewing today. I'm just going to unbox the product and show you what comes inside the box. And it was a good idea because it's around Christmas time to give it to a car lover as a Christmas present. So inside the box you get the clamps to jumpstart the car. They have a nice build quality to them. You get the device itself. It has lights and all the different modes. It works as a power bank as well. It has USB out as well. Comes with the charger, so you can charge it in your car if you need to, if it runs out of power. Comes with the cable and the pouch to put it inside. And it comes with 1 year's warranty, and it works with a 6-liter gas and a 3-liter diesel car to jumpstart it if it's completely dead. And I think it's the best Christmas present you can get anyone if they call out, if they don't already have one. If they're working on their cars or doing something with lights and stuff, and if the battery dies, you will have to find another car to jump. If you have this device, you can jump start it directly. So stay tuned for my next video when I do a review on it, when I jump start a couple of cars. Thank you for watching the video today on this product. Please like, subscribe, and check out my Instagram and TikTok. Thank you.